Imagine that these mountains are Indian mountains and we are here right there. Welcome to Neelum Valley, the land of hospitality, and these are Pakistani mountains, and over there are Indian mountains, and we are here for the checkpoint. Need for clearance. Right, Ibrahim? The weather is awesome. Ibrahim, the nature boy.
Right now, we're driving through the city of Muzaffarabad. This is a big city. There's lots of stores and establishment, and it's made right on the river. We had lunch over here before continuing on our trip. One unique thing about Kashmir is that it has its own Senate and Parliament, which is located in Muzaffarabad as well. It considers itself its own country. So we were really excited to, add another country to our list of travel. We were telling Ibrahim and Khadija that they have entered into a new country as well. That is something quite unique. As we continued on, the Neelum River created a divide between Pakistan and India. It's quite unique. It's quite interesting to see how geopolitical lines have dividing countries and how, people that were once connected now have been separated because of politics. How families are on one side and other. All on our left is India, and what's on the right is Pakistan. Also, notice how many people are hanging off that truck over there. There's so many people on it. Here we're crossing the checkpoint. If you come to Kashmir, make sure you have your documents such as your identification, your NICOP, your NIC, because all of that will be checked before you're let through. Luckily, we had photocopies of all our documents, so it was really easy to get all of it checked and we were able to be let through. Because this area is high security, all of it needs to be checked, and you need to have that verified before you're able to enter this beautiful valley. We found Kashmir to be really welcoming. The stores were well priced and not overcharged like other tourist areas. The people were nice and accommodating. The hotel prices were reasonable as well. The only thing is that because of how close it is to the Indian border, there's a lot of security risks. There's walls put up everywhere to prevent, army vehicles and things being shot down. All across the Indian border, you can see checkposts in this beautiful valley. It's so sad to see such a beautiful place be inflicted with so much conflict. Right now, there was peace and thing. It was great for a lot of visitors to come. There were droves of people coming in from Punjab due to the high heat, and we were well accommodated there. If you see a little bit later, you can see all of these walls that I'm talking about as well, and it just divides Pakistan side and the India side. I think just a little while ago there was a conflict going on between India and Pakistan, and at this point the roads get closed, and this is one of the only roads to this area, so it makes it quite hard for the people who are living here. They come back down to other areas during these times of conflict, and it makes their lives so difficult as well. And it's such a comfortable temperature and such a beautiful part of Pakistan. Kashmir really is the heart of Pakistan. You can see signs all across Kashmir that say Kashmir is a jugular vein of Pakistan, and you can really see its beauty when you come here. We visited quite a few stores in Kashmir as well. They had cute handmade bracelets and clothing. We got a couple things for Khadija as well, and we found them really well priced. I got these really nice leather shoes for around 1,500 rupees. Khadija's were about 1,000 rupees. She got clothes for 1,500 rupees, and they were really cute. So we found everything really well priced and really cute. The locals were so kind, and they were, so hospitable to us. Look at the beautiful Neelum River over there. It's blue and it's flowing, and the deeper you go into Kashmir, the bluer it gets. Because we had kids and it was such a long journey, we were only up to Upper Neelum in the city of Keran, but from what I've heard, the further you go up, the even more beautiful that it gets. It was quite a long journey. We left at 9 a.m. from Islamabad and we didn't get to our hotel until 11 p.m. This was quite a lot for our kids, but the beauty and adventure was well worth it. I would recommend doing a trip to Kashmir if your kids are a bit older than 10 years, maybe even if they're in their teens. That would be the most ideal age. Our kids got pretty tired at Rati Gali, and it was really hard with our 1-year-old as well. One beautiful area that was recommended to us was Kotli, but we weren't able to go there, but it was really, really emphasized at how beautiful and how nice it was. So it's good that we weren't able to do everything. That leaves some adventure for next time, inshallah. Another great thing that you can do is when you go there to support the local markets, buy walnuts that's local there, buy other produce and stuff like that as well. That's a great way to support the tourism in that area. If you look over here, you can even see some of the houses in the Indian side. We were looking at checkposts as well all around. They're hidden. They're not even well marked, but if you look close enough, you can kind of see the Indian checkposts on that side. They also made like walls everywhere, as I mentioned earlier as well, just to protect us on this side. And when there is times of conflict, there's families that live on one side and on the other, and they're just divided by, India and Pakistan's lines. Here you can see some of the walls built for protection.
Wait.
This is one of the great dams that they've built. I think it was called in the city of Ardgra, which means like where 8 villages meet. When Pakistan and India have a conflict, this is one of the areas that they say that they're going to damage, but I don't think they're actually going to, inshallah. But this is a great power project, and it's quite a large dam. It's pretty impressive to take a look at. Here's a closer look at the other side of the dam. You can really see how much work and effort has gone into it, and what a loss it would be if something like this were to be destroyed.
मेन पावर जा रही है। इस डैम का नाम क्या है? नीलम
बना हुआ है सर।
नाम इसका
इलाके का नाम पंचग्रा है।
पंचग्रा, अच्छा। 5 गांव का कोई होगा।
5 गांव इधर इकट्ठे होते हैं। डैम का मुझे नहीं है पता क्या।
ठीक।
ये यहाँ से
Okay, that's or over there are Indian mountains.
अभी तकरीबन 10 मिनट बाद सर हम इंडिया का झंडा देख सकते हैं।
ठीक।
ये सर इस तरफ अभी हम लोग
ये वाले माउंटेन्स इंडियंस हैं।
अभी आगे चेक पोस्ट आएगा सर, बांडी चेक पोस्ट के नाम से।
ठीक है।
बांडी चेक पोस्ट।
हाँ।
वहाँ से हम लोगों की एंट्री होगी नीलम के लिए।
ठीक है।
उसके बाद हम लोगों को इजाज़त मिल जाएगी, तो फिर 5 मिनट आगे जाएंगे सर, तो फिर उस तरफ वो इंडिया का और आबादी और गाड़ियाँ और झंडे और वो चीज़ें हमें नज़र आनी। बाकी अगर आप इर्द गिर्द देखें ये पहाड़ों में, तो इनकी चेक पोस्टें भी आप देख सकते हैं सर।
ये वो वहाँ उस साइड पे
जी, लेकिन बहुत गहराई से, चादर वाला नहीं होगा सर।
ओह
चेक पोस्ट का अच्छा होगा, फेज जैन वाला देखेगा।
ठीक
मैं
ठीक
एक जगह बताऊंगा सर, आप वहाँ पे थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए, आप बोलेंगे बताइए। इसी तरह इधर के ऊपर हमारे चेक पोस्ट हैं, कई नीचे कई ऊपर, तो वो भी इस तरह मिट्टी के अंदर इस तरह इस हिसाब से
छुपा के बनाए।
छुपा के, ताकि वो अंदाज़ा लग जाए, वो इनको अंदाज़ा लग जाए। बस ये हमारी सर आर्मी पड़ी हुई सोल्जर।
ये इंडियन माउंटेन्स।
जी सर।
Ibrahim, we are literally crossing like Pakistan and India. Wow, this is beautiful. अब कोई गलती से उधर कोई चला जाए,
बहुत नीचे गहरी खाई है सर,
वो खाई है,
बहुत खतरनाक खाई है।
इंसान बोलेगा खाई में गिर जाए पर उधर ना जाए ना। वो तो पकड़ के पता नहीं क्या क्या लगा देगा आपके ऊपर,
बस ऊपर आना भी आसान है।
है ना। Wow.
Hi, right now we are in India. Joking, we're
No.
in Pakistan.
Really?
Pakistan. Oh, I'll like to video. Please.
Where are you, Ibrahim?
Pakistan, we're in India. No, joking. So hi, we're in India. No, actually, we're in Pakistan. No, right now we are actually in the border of India and Pakistan in an undisputed area called Kashmir. And this is the border. All it is separated by this large bridge and this dam. So this side of the mountain is theirs. This side of the mountain is ours. And you can see a big India flag right here.
Yeah,
And you can see a big Pakistan flag right here.
even Pakistan is super cool.
Sister Khadija is saying even Pakistan is super cool
Right now.
right now.
ये ब्रिज है ना सर, इसमें वो वाइट लकीर नज़र आ रही है सर।
बिल्कुल।
तो ये उस तरफ इंडिया और इस तरफ आना, ये हमारा तकसीम है।
ओह, इस ब्रिज का नाम क्या है?
ये तो उसका नाम तो नहीं अंदाज़ा मुझे। बहरहाल ये इधर से अगर इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मिल जाए तो सर आप इजीली समझ जाए। वो देखें उस साइड के लिए इंडिया वाले लोग आए हैं विजिट के लिए, टूरिस्ट हैं,
बिल्कुल।
ये इंडिया की गाड़ियाँ खड़ी हैं।
ठीक 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 ठीक। और ये इंडिया का कौन सा सिटी है वहाँ पे?
ये इधर दिल्ली आता सर।
दिल्ली।
जिस तरह हम लोग मुजफ्फराबाद से हैं ना सर,
जी जी जी।
पहाड़ों से होते हुए साथ ही दिल्ली।
खदीजा पीछे रहो बेटा। ब्यूटीफुल। और ये है नस्र मिनल्लाह, ये है हमारा पाकिस्तान इंशाल्लाह। चलो
और
गाइस,
देखें सर हमारी चेक पोस्ट,
ओवर देयर वी हैव चेक पोस्ट। और यहाँ पे कुछ दिनों पहले बहुत ज़बरदस्त जंग हो रही थी, और नाउ शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वी हैव पीस एंड वी आर एट नीलम वैली, border of India and Pakistan. Oh. मंदिर।
Jammu, Kashmir, India. I don't know if you hear it.
Where are we now?
What's your
Ibrahim.
eye?
Okay. We done our checking to the hotel. सर्दी लग रही है? Really? Really? सर्दी लग रही है?
I'm freezing cold.
You're freezing cold. Khadija चलो बताओ.
I'm burning hot.
Khadija, हम कहाँ आए हुए हैं?
We are at Kashmir.
हाँ, but ये रेस्टोरेंट क्या है?
But tonight.
बर्गर.
And I'm freezing cold here. And I'm in Pakistan and also India. And I'm freezing cold. I'm in the border.
हाँ ये ओ फल लगे हुए हैं. हाँ. Yeah. किधर जा रहे हैं इब्राहिम? हाँ हाँ आ जाओ.
I'm Ibrahim, and right now we're in Bustling, which is in Kashmir, in the Keran and
Keran Valley, Neelum.
Keran Valley, and we just got on hotel here. So we're just gonna get some food, and then
It's a different vibe here, right? You've been into the Pickering area, Canada?
we went to the Pickering one in Canada, and that one was a buffet, and we went to also other ones in Pakistan. And there was one in Natia Gully, it was so nice, and Chopper smashed the chair. Yeah,
And the burger is so different. Like, what you can even see a light from Jammu Kashmir.
Oh yeah, you can see the Kashmir.
You can see a light from
the
Jammu
Kashmir from here.
So that's a mountain. You can't tell right now,
Yeah,
but
you can see the tiny lights over there. It's actually the part of Kashmir.
so fancy.
So we ordered the food and food is coming. Let's buy. Like a souvenirs from Neelum Valley. Hmm?
Yeah, that's really cute.
The shawl. ये क्या bucket सी? ये रोटी रखने वाली? Oh, clothes. ये खतीजा के लिए वो सही है ना? हाँ?
let's go see it.
क्या? आपके लेसेस को दें? ये टिश्यू पेपर. या वो खतीजा मेरे साथ रहो बेटा. डे 2 हमारे कमरे से दरियाए नीलम का व्यू. ये इब्राहिम सो रहा है और उसी साइड पे बच्चे हैं और ये हमारी गैलरी. सामने ये आर्मी की इंडियन आर्मी की चेक पोस्ट है और ये ये रोड के इस तरफ पाकिस्तान है on the opposite side is India. Alhamdulillah. Yes. ये हमारा होटल रूम अच्छी जगह है और ये border the reason we picked this hotel is because of this beauty. तो हमारा
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mama Jenny. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Early morning vibes at the Pakistan and India border in Kashmir.
So hi, I'm Ibrahim and today we are starting our journey going to in Kashmir. This is the Keran Valley, a place where there is a river separating Pakistan and India.
And the place is called
The place is called Keran Valley.
Keran Valley in Kashmir.
And so much trees and buildings and mountains.
All together.
And we're at this iconic spot. Yeah. So there's a mountain right there. And even though it's bumped, it's like really cool.
If we keep walking from here, doesn't like we end up into the Indian. Ibrahim, नीचे आ जाओ. यहाँ से नीचे आ जाओ.
Just maybe. I think so.
I'm kind of like.
I miss my baby carrier. Boy. Join us for our next video as we take a jeep ride up to Khadija. We have an adventure there.